Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make a storage shed with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 6x8 plate for the base of our storage shed. Along the left hand side, a 1x8 plate. And right on the top, a 1x10 plate. Then we're going to slide in another 6x8 plate, followed by a 1x8 plate along the right hand side. Back on the left, 1x2 and 1x3 flat tiles. Then in the back, I'm going to place 8 1x4 flat tiles. Got to smooth off the bottom of the storage shed. We don't want to be tripping over all those studs in there. And get the last one here, and on this side a 1x2 and 1x3 flat tiles. But we're not done yet, because we need to build the bottom portion of our track with a set of 1x2x1 wall elements. Place them as shown. This is going to be the opening for our door, so place a 1x4 flat tile here. Now to smooth off the bottom portion of our track, a 1x6 and 1x4 flat tiles. And in these two areas right here, a set of 1x2 plates and a 1x6 flat tile for the threshold. Let's start building our walls up for our shed, starting in this corner with a 1x2x2 corner brick, followed by a 1x4 brick, a 1x2x2 corner brick, a pair of 1x4 bricks for the rear, and along the right hand side, a 1x2x2 corner brick, 1x4 brick, and a 1x2x2 corner brick. Next, take a 1x1 by 1 2/3 brick with 2 vertical studs. I'm going to crown this off with a 1x1 plate. Let's make 2 of these. I want to place them to where the studs are facing inside the door frame. And we're going to proceed on with a pair of 1x2 bricks on both sides. And then we're going to wrap around with a set of 1x6 bricks, and in the back 3 1x4 bricks to complete the second row. Now for the third row, we're going to place another set of 1x2 bricks right on top of these joints to lock everything together. Then I'm going to wrap around with a pair of 1x6 bricks, a set of 1x2x2 corner bricks, and a pair of 1x4 bricks to finish the third row. For the fourth row, set down a pair of 1x3 bricks, followed by a set of 1x6 bricks for the sides, and 3 1x4 bricks for the back wall. Make sure everything is pressed down firm. Take a set of 1x1 bricks with 1 stud. We're going to place these to where the stud are facing inside the door. That's going to be used for door casing. Then I want to proceed wrapping around with a pair of 1x2x2 corner bricks on both left and right hand sides, a set of 1x4 bricks, 2 more 1x2x2 corner bricks right in the back, and 2 1x4 bricks. This time we're going to start in the back. We're going to place a 1x10 plate, and along both left and right hand sides a set of 1x8 plates, and right in these two areas a pair of 1x2 plates. Now for the door casing, I'm just going to take a set of 1x6 flat tiles, place those right on those studs. These are also going to keep our sliding doors in place, which are going to construct. Next, we're going to build a set of shed doors. We're going to make a left and right hand one, starting with a pair of 1x3 bricks. We're going to set down another set of 1x3 bricks right on top of the previous. Then I'm going to place a 1x2 brick on the left-hand door and one on the right-hand door as shown. And a set of 1x1 bricks with a stick. These are going to be used for our handles. Then we're going to proceed on with another set of 1x3 bricks. Place these right here. Finish up the top portions of the doors. Then a set of flat tiles. Now I want to put a pair of 1x2 flat tiles where they're right above the handles. In the 1x1 remaining areas, we're going to use a set of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. These are going to act as stops for the doors. Let's set our sliding doors inside the track area. For the door header, start with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place a set of 2x3 flat tiles on top where they're hanging over on both left and right hand sides. Then I'm going to slide in a pair of 1x4 plates in these two areas. Then set down a pair of 2x3 flat tiles perpendicular to the previous 2x3 flat tiles. And then we're going to take a 1x4 plate, place a 1x1 flat tile on one end. I'm going to make two of these. I'm going to place these to where the 1x1 flat tiles are in this opening. And then I'm going to flip this over, and right in this area right here we're going to place the top portion of our door sill with a 1x6 plate to finish up the header. Now let's drop our header right on top. This 1x6 plate will fit right inside, and just be sure that your doors are inside the track, which these are. And do they slide? Yes, indeed they do. They're going to hang a little bit because we're not quite done yet. So we're going to proceed on in these two areas right in the top here. A set of 1x1 plates, followed by 5 1x4 plates. Place 2 on both left and right hand sides and 3 in the back. And now we're going to finish off the top here with a pair of 1x8 flat tiles. Now I want to have a way to anchor down the roof piece that we're going to be assembling in a moment or two with a set of 1x1 plates, and to fill in this area with a 1x8 flat tile. Let's start with a 6x8 slope for the roof. We're going to flip this over. In this reveal, we're going to place a set of 2x4 plates. And after we put the plates in, we're going to flip this back over, take another 6x8 slope, place this on the lip to form our roof. Now let's set our roof assembly right on top of the shed. To complete the build, we got a nice storage shed to store all those extra Lego sets we've been getting, and the doors do close up.